Ever wondered how your favorite stars live their lavish lives? Well, brace yourself, for today we're going to lift the veil of a bit of celebrity real estate stalking. With its unbelievable and jaw-dropping details, like multiple pools, sprawling gardens, private theaters, and exotic pet animals. Living big is a tradition for celebrities, and no, they don't settle for less. They want it all, and they've got it all. Hey there, welcome to High-End Hues. Today, we're going to unveil the jaw-dropping, envy-inducing, and a virtual tour of the best celeb pads in town. First up is Taylor Swift's coastal paradise. Just imagine whipping up a snack in a kitchen crammed with more luxury utensils than a five-star restaurant, sauntering through a sprawling lawn that could host an entire music festival, and falling asleep in a bedroom swankier than the Ritz. Well, darling, that's a Tuesday for Taylor Swift. Her 30 million abode, a coastal dreamboat in blush and periwinkle, is a slice of 1934 Georgian revival heaven. 7 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms, and an endless supply of unbelievable views. Yes, you heard it right. The sea is practically her backyard. The interiors, just as magical. The place didn't just get a fairy godmother, it got a whole darn troop of them, delightfully done up with decadence dripping from every corner. Be it the grand curved staircase that has Scarlett O'Hara painted all over, or the staggering glass conservatory. And the best part, the guests, who are expected to have their eyeballs in their hands 95% of the time. So casually sipping the morning brew and panoramic ocean vistas is part of the daily routine here. Welcome to the realm of unreal luxury that's all about living it, Swift. Moving on, we have Kylie Jenner's holiday resort home. We're off to the Humby Hills of California, where Kylie Jenner's audaciously luxurious house turned resort dwell, putting your local 5-star to shame. The $36.5 million property infused with flamboyant beauty makes it a paradise getaway on steroids. A mere mention of its features could cause vertigo to the uninitiated. Think 7 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms? Is she running an Airbnb? And a baffling 20 parking spaces. I hope she's got a handy map to avoid getting lost in her own house. More enthralling, it boasts a bar, games room, and a home cinema. Oh, and there's also a chef's kitchen and a swimming pool that ambiguously zigzags through the house. Talk about living the swimmingly good life. But wait, there's more. Kylie's house is perfect for notoriously extravagant shindigs. Remember, no good party is complete without a place to crash. That's where the 2 bonus guest apartments come splashing in, ensuring you need not stumble far from the last cocktail. So folks, if you're in the mood for an endless resort experience, apparently all you need to do is make onto Kylie's guest list. Well, easier said than done. Moving on, we have the Ellen DeGeneres Tuscan-inspired villa. We have the talk show tycoon, Ellen DeGeneres, and her Tuscan-inspired villa. Why bother flying to Italy? She might have thought, and brought a piece of Italy to sunny California. As they say, home is where the heart is. But when your heart craves pasta and Chianti daily, you recreate Tuscany, complete with 9 fireplaces, multiple libraries, and dual pools, because one pool is so last season. And speaking of neighbors, guess who you can spot while sipping your morning coffee? Oprah, the queen herself. Throw in the royal couple, Harry and Meghan from across the pond, and you've got yourself a cup of English tea too. Next up, Tiger Woods' custom-built sanctuary. If eye candy environments are your thing, Tiger Woods' $54.5 million house must be on your radar. Barely a breath away from the ocean, this mansion offers a panoramic spectacle that could make any lockdown bearable. I mean, who wouldn't fancy a ride in a glass-fronted elevator with an overwhelming vastness of blue outside? Built with a purpose, it has a basketball court, tennis court, a sci-fi-like 100 feet lap pool, and a 60 feet diving pool, and a spa that's a surefire way to escape the nagging mother-in-law. Not impressed yet? Hold your jaws, folks. Our man here has got 4 putting greens. Yes, 4. A putting studio for the times when he misses the golf course, and a running trail for those morning selfies. It's fair to say that Tiger isn't just giving those golf lessons, but serious house goals as well. Tiger Woods' mansion is here for the win. Tom Cruise Scenic Mountain Retreat. Tom Cruise's $59 million Rego, Colorado retreat is perched amidst picturesque mountains, seducing nature lovers and ski bunnies alike. Floor-to-ceiling windows adorn the 10,000 square foot dwelling, allowing Mother Nature to peep in without feeling like a total creeper. Now that we've established the view, let's unravel the cozy luxe cocoon that is this mansion. Timber walls and a native stone chimenea add a touch of warmth and rustic charm to Cruz's lair. In between couch surfing or, actual surfing, there's no shortage of recreational delight for the star. A private trail system, hockey, tennis, basketball, and a motocross track await the adventurous soul. Next up, Angelina Jolie's French Chateau. Angelina Jolie's $61 million French fairytale castle is quite literally the definition of vintage extravaganza. A 1,000-acre land surrounded by a moat, 35 bedrooms, a banquet hall, swimming pool, and his or hers gyms. Because, when you're Angelina Jolie, sharing a gym is just too mainstream. The allure of the chateau is undeniable, with its own vineyard providing the perfect backdrop for slow-mo walks or A-list gossip sessions. This castle is straight out of a storybook, or maybe a Disney movie. Belle would have some serious envy. Beyonce and JayZ's lavish Bel Air's kingdom. Speaking of indulgence, Beyonce and JayZ's Bel Air mansion doesn't disappoint. It's like a mini Disneyland worth $88 million, minus the queues and annoying map. It houses 4 outdoor swimming pools. Yes, you heard that right. Because who doesn't need a pool for every season? If you're not much of a swimmer, you can relax at their full-blown spa. Or maybe play a round of basketball at their exclusive court. But wait, does your car feel left out? Don't fret. Their gargantuan 15-car garage will make your vehicle feel like it's parked at a luxury car showroom. Evidently, when you're Queen Bee and Jigga, life isn't just good, it's poolly fantastic. If their pool had a LinkedIn profile, it could add multiplying by 4 as a skill. Next up, George Lucas Skywalker Ranch. Welcome to George Lucas's $100 million paradise, which is a tribute to the tiny movie series he made, something with stars and wars. I don't really remember. Maybe you know in the comments below. Just kidding, everybody knows it's Star Wars. Boredom at home isn't even in Luke Skywalker's dictionary. With a vineyard, an outdoor swimming pool, bees making honey, and theater seating for 300, who needs a galaxy far, far away when you live in pure luxury like this? George Lucas, creator of the Star Wars series, has managed to recreate the magic and charm of his iconic films into reality, blending elements of luxury and fantasy. Lastly, Bill Gates' Xanadu 2.0. Xanadu 2.0, the tech king's throne, nestled in Washington, at 66,000 square feet and contains a collection of rare manuscripts, one of which is written by Leonardo da Vinci. This $125 million mansion took 7 years to build, probably because importing golden sand from a Caribbean island, crafting a man-made stream filled with salmon, and fitting a giant room solely for trampolining is no mean feat. Endowed with pieces of priceless art, this house is more eccentric than your most flamboyant uncle on Thanksgiving. So there you have it, a sneak peek into the extravagant abodes of the stars. This gives you a burning question, making your fingers twitch towards Google search. How the heck do they clean all that floor space? Well, we may never know the answer to that, but tell me, which mansion had your jaw dropping faster than a clumsy waiter with a tray of champagne flutes? We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.